Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here in cTrader. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because we go to all symbols, click on search, and we search for BTC. Then right now we select right here Bitcoin to US dollar, and right now we are having here the chart. Then what we're going to do is go here to new order, then select right here buy. And then from now we select how many lots we want to step in with. 1 lot is fine because I'm using my demo account with 1 million. And I want to step in with, if you go right here and holding my mouse on the 1, you see right here that we will step in with 71K. So that is fine for this account. Then right now what we're going to do is we also create here a stop loss because I want to do on risk management. So right now when our profit or the price will go down 2K, he will stop our losses. And then right now we click here on place order. And now you see right here, your request to buy 1 lot of Bitcoin was filled. So I'm clicking now on OK. And now right here, you see the trade that we created. I already lost $11. But this is exactly the way how you can buy Bitcoin on cTrader. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.